Halfmilesniper here, and today I am at Jeff Cooper's cabin on the Whittington Center, and we are going to take the shot that I made that 6.5 PRC for. So, tell you all about it in a second. Y'all sit back, kick your feet up, enjoy the ride. So here on the Cooper range, it's the Jeff Cooper rifle walk. Let me turn around real quick, and we've got steel targets all the way, going all the way back up there. Can't tell what that is at the end of the run. I'll have to check it out with the scope. But then we got some steel up on the hill, and way over there is a 1 mile target. 1,760 yards from this point. It's a 36-inch gong. We were lasing it from the pistol range, which is back over that way. And from the pistol range, it was a little over 1,800 yards. But from here, it's 1,760. So we're going to give that a try. I remembered the long range camera, so hopefully we can see what happens downrange. And let's see. I might try to get the Tacticam running, see if we can see what I see. I've got my calculations worked out, so hopefully I can dial the scope into a mile. And we'll see what happens. So I still have a lot of setup to do and, get the gun ready. So give me a few minutes. We'll see if I can get at least a clear view for y'all through the Tacticam, just in case the long range camera here doesn't pick up any hits. Am I going to hit? I don't know. We know yesterday I shot on the buffalo with the 156 grain burgers with the 54.5 grains of Retumbo, and we got hits, but I didn't hit the swinger. And then I switched to the Retumbo was running 2,600 feet per second. Then I switched to 144 grain burgers, which are running 2,800 feet per second. Got a hit on the swinger. And we'll try both of those here at a mile. Nah, at 100 yards, the 144 grain didn't shoot that well, but we'll see what it does at a mile. So, go get some coffee. I know I'm going to. I got my accuracy juice there. And I'll finish getting set up, and we'll give this a try. This is my 6.5 PRC. It's a Howa 1500 barreled action that I put in an Oryx MDT Oryx chassis. Has a Harris bipod, which is just barely going to be tall enough to make this shot. I'm running my Thunder Beast Ultra 730 cal can, Vortex Viper PST, my nifty empty chamber indicator, compliments of viewer Izzy. And this rifle, I got this rifle to shoot a mile. And today we're going to take that shot, and hit or miss, y'all are going to get to watch it. Now, as I said, out here on the steel on the hill, they got targets at 1,200, 1,400, and 1,700. And that 1,700 target, I don't know if you can catch it, but it is just, see that little notch right here in the hill? Well, it's just below that. I take that back. It's just to the left of that notch. It's just below that one. So, we're going to use my long range camera here on my Sunway Photo TSI or T4030 CSI tripod. Sunway Photo is affiliate to the channel. And I've been advised that those steel targets have hit indicators on them. So we should, if they're running and functioning, we should see a flash if, and it's a big if, I hit. A couple more minutes of setup and we're gonna take our shot. Okay, so I did my calculations, and for the 156 grain burgers running 2,600 feet per second, I need to come up 20.2 mils. Hopefully I have enough elevation. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 15, 16. Ooh, so I need to hold over 4.2. Can I do that? Gotta find it again. There it is. One, two, three. Yes, I can hold over 4.2. That's going to be a rough one. And I need to go left like 4/10. Yes, 4/10 left for spin drift. Well, surprising I didn't have enough range in the scope, but we'll try. We'll put on some shooting glasses instead of seeing glasses. We'll get a shot of accuracy juice. And we are hot. Okay, there's the target. 1, 2, 3, 4.2. Here we go, cold bore shot at a mile. No splash. I can't see anything. We'll try that again. That one was a solid hit because we got the flash. Hot dog. Cool. Now, I'm stoked. Okay, I'm going to have to re-zero the scope here for the other load, and we're going to give that a try. The other load is the 144 grain burgers moving 2,805 feet per second. And we are going to see how they do. Well, at least now I can officially say that I have shot a mile and hit. And that target is a 36-inch target, which, looking in the scope, it only looks about this big. To say I'm stoked is an understatement. Now, if I can do it again with the 144 grain burgers running 2,805 feet per second, I better get some accuracy juice in me. I had done the calculations, and the 144 called for 17.4. I zeroed the scope back down to the zero stop, which just happened to be where the zero was for these at the 100-yard line. And again, I could only come up 16.4, so this time I have to hold over a mil. I have a feeling if I want to continue shooting a mile or mile plus, I might need to try to find a rail that's a little bit more of a little bit more than a 20 MOA rail, because I'm just a few clicks shy of being able to dial for a center hole. Okay. We'll take us another shot here at 1 mile, 1,760 yards, way up on the mountain, 36-inch round target. Ears are in. And I'm telling you, I am really surprised at how long it takes the bullet to get that far. So I have to hold over a 1 mil. Like right there, give or take. Okay. I am on the target. Got a little bit of a tailwind here. We'll see what that does to us. Oh, just low and right. Saw the dirt splash. So, maybe I needed, I needed that extra 0.4, didn't I? Again, just low and right. So, the wind must be doing something different up there. So we're going to hold a little bit left and right there. So one of the issues is, as much rain as we've been having, so the two misses when I called the splash, they were just low right of the gong. With all the rain we've been having, if that impact is anywhere out of your area of focus, you're not going to see the splash because it's just some dark dirt puffing up. Whereas if it would have been not so rainy, we'd see the dust kick up. Okay. These 144s are a little bit on the light side for a mile, I think, but I think we'll get them. Just over it. And that is an impact. And that is an impact. And that is an impact. Let's see if I can do that again. Oh, that felt like a bad trigger squeeze. And the proof is in the pudding that that was a bad trigger squeeze, because I didn't even see splash. There we go. We'll take one more shot. And I rushed that trigger. But we did get 2 shots, just didn't do it consecutive. Wasn't my best performance, but you know, the misses I saw were only like this far off. Either a little bit low right or just over the top. The misses I didn't see, hard to tell, because like I said, it's been raining a lot, so there's no real definitive splash in the dirt. But I'm stoked. Wow. I finally got to take this rifle out to a mile. I'm glad I was able to do it. I appreciate the range boss here at the Whittington Center allowing me access to this range to take that 1 mile shot. I'm pleased. I may not have hit every shot, but you know what? I hit. And that makes me feel pretty stinking good. I appreciate y'all hanging with me. I hope next time I come back up here, I'll be able to get access to this range again and hopefully have a little bit more energy load. I think the 156 is shot better, even though they were going slower, but I want to get the 156s up to speed. So I still have work to do. This rifle still has life in it. We're like 915 rounds now, so pretty cool. My goal was to shoot a mile with this rifle. I've shot a mile, and I've hit at a mile, and I missed very close at a mile. Like I said, hit or miss, y'all got to see it. Appreciate y'all hanging with me. Appreciate each and every one of y'all. As always, Halfmilesniper reminding you, stay strapped or get clapped. Get a CCW if you need one. If you're in a constitutional carry state, get a CCW anyways. You never know, you may travel. If you're ever up in the northern New Mexico area around Raton and you're an NRA member, I don't know if you have to be an NRA member, but you can join a membership here at the Whittington Center and get access to these fine ranges that they have. It's a great place to check out. If you're an NRA member, by all means stop by. If you're not, stop by and become a Whittington Center member. It's a really nice place. 7,000 feet altitude here on the ranges. You learn to breathe for every shot. No holding your breath. This week it's been smell of pinyon pines all week long, so they kind of been messing with my sinuses, but that's okay. I hope y'all enjoyed watching me take my shot here at the 1 mile target. I appreciate y'all hanging with me. As always, stay safe, keep shooting. We'll catch you next time.
Send it. Hit.